If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with Bridgerton. By the time this video has gone up, Bridgerton season 3 has already ended. Definitely bittersweet. I've always wondered what it would be like to live in the Bridgerton world, have a love match, go to a ball, get set up for life. So today I want to show you Bridgerton fan baddies how to enter the Bridgerton world and make it your own using Picsart. I definitely had a lot of fun doing this because I lived vicariously through this made-up fantasy world. I'm going to show you guys how to create your own Bridgerton inspired look and how to make your own invitations. This I think would be really fun for like a Bridgerton watch party for season 4. Shonda, let's make that happen soon, okay? Without further ado, let's create Bridgerton Picsart's version. First thing we're gonna do, the look. I love the outfits in Bridgerton. I think that the costume designers have done such an amazing job. It also helps the character transform so much. Like Penelope, purely based on her outfits that they chose for her from the beginning of season 3 to now, like it's insane. So it was only right for me to start there because I wanted a Bridgerton dress so badly. So if I have to make it through AI, like I will do that. I took an image of myself, went to AI replace and typed in Regency dress. You can do Bridgerton inspired dress, Regency era gown, anything like that. I chose the one that I liked. Figure out your own vibe. Once I was happy with that, I went to remove background and I just found an image online. I think I looked up like Bridgerton background or something like that. You can also smart background your own castle if you'd like to, you know, customize it. And then obviously I had to add the Bridgerton logo. Look how good I look. Like, tell me that does not look like a Bridgerton character. I've thought about hosting my own Bridgerton watch party. I think it's definitely a cute, fun little party idea. So I want to show you guys how to create your own little invitations for a Bridgerton watch party and also how I would create my own invitations if I were hosting a Bridgerton ball. I'm gonna use web for this because I just feel like the templates are more easier to access there. I chose the color of my own background. I kind of wanted like a light pastel yellow type of color, if that makes sense. And then I wanted to add a gold trim because I just feel like that's what the invitations in the Regency era, like Bridgerton vibe would look like. Like my guests would be like, oh my god, she imported gold from somewhere, I don't know. Just gives it a more classy look. Then I went to text and I chose a cursive font that I liked. We have a ton of cursive fonts to choose from, so definitely pick the one that speaks out to you the most. I wrote down Lady Olivia's ball. You can also put down the location, time, date, dress code, all of those things for your Bridgerton watch party. I also wanted to add one of those little rose like stamps that they put on the envelopes, but I wanted to put it on the invitation too, just because I felt like it was a little boring. Not boring, but it was just lacking something. And I just wanted to put it there to, you know, be a little different. And it's really that simple. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty proud of my invitations. I feel like if I saw this, I would definitely want to go to my ball. Let me know down below if you think Queen Charlotte would show up. I think she would. And if you guys end up creating your own Bridgerton inspired looks or your own invitations to your own ball, definitely make sure to tag us on all social medias because I want to judge yours. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun doing this and who knows, maybe I'll be back for another video for season 4. Make sure to follow us on all social media platforms. They'll all be down below. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload new videos every single Monday. You might be seeing more of us soon, so definitely subscribe for that. I'll see you guys later. Bye.